How to use split screen mode or multi-window mode on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra or any other Samsung S25 series. By default, enable split screen mode. So tap the recent app button or swipe up and hold to view the recent application if you use a full screen gesture. So here we see three buttons. So tap the recent button. You can see the list of recent application on your device. Just tap the app icon you want to use as a split screen or use two application. Here we select the notes, tap on the button, tap on open in a split screen view. Now at the top up, you can see the notes open. In the second, you need to select application. So here we select the application like Google Chrome. Now you can also make notes or use Google Chrome also at the same time on your device. To swipe between these, tap on the three dots. Here you can see the arrow. Tap on it to move swipe between the position. Also tap on again arrow. Here you can see the star button. Tap on it to enlarge it like this. So it's quite easy to choose split screen mode using the recent button. You can also use edge panel. Here you can see the edge panel. Just swipe to open the edge panel. Here you can see the list of application. Just long press the app and move at the like this, and it will automatically open in a split screen mode. Now select the other application. So again we select application like a calculator. Now you can access both application, swipe between them. You can also create app pair to quickly access it. Just tap the three dots again, tap on a star icon. Here you can see add app pair to home screen or app edge panel. So we select home screen. Now app pair added to home screen. Now whenever you want to use both this app, you can quickly access from the home screen. To exit the split screen mode, just tap and hold the middle line and move at the top or bottom of the screen to exit the split screen mode on your Samsung device. Now go to home screen and you can find the app pair you created. Just tap on it to access both applications at the same time on your Samsung S25 Ultra or any other Samsung device. So that's it. Please like it, share it.